And the most fun performance award goes to...
Wait, did we just win? Yes. I think we won.
The act was supposed to be magic, but the real show happened when the curtain fell.
I have a great plan for the talent show. I'm gonna be a famous magician. I'll help you, but only if I get a sparkly cape. Deal. You'll be my shiny assistant. This sounds very professional. I'll say the magic words. Perfect. Then you open the curtain, and a rabbit appears. But who will hide behind the curtain? I don't know. We need someone tall.
Leave it to me. I can be the invisible rabbit guy.
He said piece of cake. This is gonna be a disaster.
Yay! Thank you, Dad!
Welcome to the magic team.
Abracadabra! Now bring out the rabbit, Dad!
Ta-da!
Dad, the rabbit is upside down.
Achoo! Here's the rabbit.
Well, the position is correct.
Wow, you're very prepared.
I have to check everything, Dad.
That curtain doesn't look very sturdy. I'll just watch for now.
Remember to hide behind the curtain properly. Are you sure you remember?
Of course I remember.
Please follow the plan.
I've seen it all before. Just another magic trick.
I forgot my lyrics! Deep breath, deep breath. Cards, coins, everything's here. Look at my shiny cape!
Why am I so nervous? Do you remember the script?
Wait for the magic words, then bring it out slowly. And do not make a sound.
I got this. Just do your part well.
I have to record this. Something bad is gonna happen. She wasn't recording for a perfect memory. She was waiting for the disaster.
Please welcome the amazing magic show. Okay, I'm hidden. Just wait for the signal.
Watch this coin disappear. Ta-da! Is this your card, sir?
Wow, yes it is!
Thank you, thank you.
And now, for our greatest trick ever!
Here we go.
Abra. Hoika!
Achoo!
Whoa, wait! Everyone's looking at me!
Oops! Oh no!
show.
A rabbit flew through the air. A perfect curve.
Did someone just throw a rabbit at me?
This is so embarrassing. Oh, I'm leaving.
Excuse me, sir. I need that rabbit. This is my rabbit. You can't have it.
I did it, Master. Show them.
I have to save this show. It's now or never.
I'm a rabbit! Watch me hop! And flap my ears!
What is he doing? This is ridiculous.
This is brilliant.
Best show ever! Ta-da!
You ruined my magic show, Dad. You threw it right at the principal.
I know.
But he laughed the loudest. Ah! Clapping loudly.
I recorded everything in 4K resolution.
Please don't post it online.
We'll see about that.
The most fun performance award goes to Tom, Anna, and Dad Nick. Did we win? Yes, it's all because of Dad.
Next time, just hand the gift to me directly.
Yes, sir. I'll remember that.
Dad, I am not mad at you.
Thank you, son.
I'm posting this right now. 10 out of 10 performance, Nick. 47 views already.
Size. My life is over. What should I do with this rabbit?
Sit there, you little monster. And that's the end of the magic show.